Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Mari, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing something completely different from what I've ever done on this channel before. I never thought really that I would be doing one of these, but today's the day. So I picked up and bought my very first designer bag, and this is like a milestone because sometimes they can get very expensive. So if you're not for designer bags like Louis, Gucci, all that stuff, and you just don't understand the point in those products, then this video is not for you. So you might just want to click away. I will not get offended, but still give it a thumbs up. Anyways, yeah, so before I picked up this bag, I actually watched a lot of these unboxing videos, and I was like, you know what, if I get one, I want to film one because they are helpful when trying to pick the bag that you want and trying to find the right bag you think that'll fit for you. So if you guys are interested to, one, see the bag that I got and also find out all the cool details about it, I suggest you keep on watching. But before we start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's just get to unboxing this bag. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna jump straight into it because I'm so excited. I am so happy on the bag that I got. So, you guessed it! I got my very first Louis Vuitton bag. Let's drink some water before getting into this. Before I show you guys the bag, I want to explain something. So, I have been wanting a Louis Vuitton bag for a while, but I was never able to just pull it all together and just go do it because I just felt like, oh my god, like that's so much. Do I really need it? Do I really want it? But I was like, you know what? This is the year. I don't care. I want it. I got it. I see it. Look it. I want it. I got it. 7 rings. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, so when picking up this bag, I wanted to get a bag that I knew I could use on one, an everyday basis. Two, it can last me a long time in different occasions, whether it's traveling, whether it's just every day, whether it's more work appropriate or more fancy. I feel like this bag is very versatile. And also too, I was like, I really liked the little miniature bags, but I was like, in reality, like, I'm not gonna spend so much money on a little tiny bag, well, just yet. I feel like I wanna get one that I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it. So I'm just gonna take out the bag and show you guys. Alright, so this is the gigantic box that it comes in, and I love and adore. I usually just watch these videos and now I'm making one myself. Wow, look at me go. So let's open her up. So it comes in this dust bag right here, and let's take her out. Oh my gosh, this box is ginormous. Okay, so it comes in this dust bag. Let me tell you guys the name. So the bag that I picked up is the Neverfull MM in the color Rose Ballerine. So this is her. Oh my god, I freaking love it. And also they did a complimentary, you can get like a little initial, so I decided to get my initial, obviously MJ. You guys know me as MariiiBajariii, but my legal government name initials are MJ. So since this is a tote style bag, it does have a little indent right here, but that is okay because I am going to purchase this like divider from Amazon. After watching so many reviews, I feel like that's gonna keep me the most organized, and I don't mind that at all because I really like to have little compartments. People are like, oh, you shouldn't do that because you're spending so much money on a purse, da, da, da. Anyways, no. So this is what the bag looks like. It's very spacious inside, and you open it up. Also inside it comes with this little bag right here, and I like it because you can detach it. Let's detach her really quick. So yeah, you can take it off and it looks like this, and then you could also make it into like a little clutch or a little wristlet. Say you just want to go somewhere really quick and you don't want to carry this big bag or the whole bag with you, you can just throw in your phone, your money, whatever you need, and you got this right here, and you don't have to carry the whole shebang. But also this is going to be very good just to keep inside the bag, just to have like maybe like important information or important cards, whatever you need. This is very handy. So that is a plus. That's why I feel like this bag was worth it, because you kind of get like 2 in 1. And you know, they sell like the little clutches on the side. And why purchase another one when it comes with this one? So not only does the bag look like this, I know it looks freaking huge, but I feel like this is gonna be perfect when it comes to traveling. And let me just change the size up, because on the side, you could also make it into a smaller purse. So let me do that really quick. All right, so I ended up changing the size. And as you guys can tell, this purse is very versatile. Like, it could be very big or it could become a little tote bag. And I really, really like this style. I feel like this is gonna be more my everyday style. And then when it comes to traveling, going to the airport, road trips, whatever it is, then I can expand it to make it a big one. So yeah, so I want to explain the sizes. So they have I think a PM, an MM, and a GM. The GM was freaking huge. I was like, there's no way, I don't need this, like that's way too big. And then the PM was a little too small and it looked a little awkward, so I felt like this was like the best size. You guys, I watched so many freaking videos on this purse. I was like, I need to make sure like this is the one. And it's funny because when I was thinking about getting a Louis Vuitton purse, I was like, I don't really want to get a big purse like this, because I was like, what am I gonna fit in that? But then I was like, why? I was like, think for the future, okay? So say that I want to use this for, I want to go out traveling, like I said, or I just want to look cute and have a little casual outfit, make this glam it up, or I have a more fancy outfit, or thinking to the future, way past, say I become a mom one day and I do want to have, like, I need a lot of space when it comes to like children's stuff, or just in general. I feel like this purse is gonna be with me forever, and it's gonna be able to fit so much stuff in it. And I mean, becoming a mom later on, obviously I'm probably gonna move on from, get a different purse, I don't know, but I just feel like this purse is perfect. And it really took me a while to get a Louis Vuitton purse, but I was like, I feel like I deserve it, and why not? So yes, I am so happy with my purchase, you guys. I love it so much. And especially this inside clutch, like that is a plus. Like literally 2 bags in one. I love it. If I just want to go maybe to like Disneyland, I don't want to carry my whole purse, but I just want a little clutch. You don't want to hold it, goes on the wrist, perfect. Or again, it expands. I just love it so much, you guys. And I just wanted to film this unboxing because before purchasing it, I had no idea what the size looked like. I've seen it on pictures, but I haven't seen like people talk about it. And oh my god, I'm so happy with this one. I was debating between the red one or the pink one, and I felt like the pink is more me, like literally pink, like that screams me. I was like, red is very classy and nice, but I feel like baby pink is just my favorite color, and I don't think I'll get over it. So yeah, I'm obviously gonna take lots of care of this. And also too, like I said, the organizer I'm gonna be ordering soon. I literally just got this purse today and I was like, I need to make a video on it. So once I get the organizer, I'm probably gonna do an updated what's in my bag video, because that was done I think last year or 2 years ago. So your girl needs to re-inform you guys and amp it up, because I carry a lot more different stuff with me. And oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, so it doesn't really close, doesn't have a zipper, but it does have this little clamp, so it kind of shuts, so it won't be flying everywhere. But yeah, I just really want to share with you guys on this bag, because I watched so many what's in my Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag or unboxing bags, and I was like, why do people make these? But now I totally understand, because I was so torn between the pink one or the red one or what size to get, and this really helped me. And I'm just so in love with this, you guys. See, like, I really like this way. The big one, when expanding it, looks cute too, but I feel like this is gonna be my go-to way. And I love it, especially my little detailing with my initials. Perfect. Perfect. So yeah guys, that concludes my Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM unboxing. I just wanted to share with you guys, and it's not in any way to brag or show you guys like, ooh, I got this purse. It's really just because when watching that video or watching multiple videos of unboxing the bag, it was helpful from watching multiple people rather than just one, because they give you like different views of the bag and how it looks and how you can use it, how it opens and closes. Like before watching those videos, I didn't even know that it turned into a smaller bag. I literally thought it was just like the bigger bag. That's why I was kind of like, eh. But then it sold me when I saw it came with the clutch and it got smaller. So this is all just to share with those who are interested in getting a Louis Vuitton bag, and the Neverfull MM in particular. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you would like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my Angels channel, which is M&A Forever Ever. Stay blooming, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.